When a cigarette shipment reaches a custom house, a customs officer may do a random inspection. He may verify the shipping documents and conduct a detailed inspection of the cigarette shipment. The customs officer inspects the cigarette shipment and analyzes the cigarette pack. To understand whether the cigarette packs are compliant with the legislation of the destination country, the customs officer could use Alice. Alice allows him to see the picture of the cigarette pack that is compliant with the legal requirements of the shipment's destination country, and to have more specific information on these requirements. If the customs officer decides that the cigarette packs are compliant with the legislation of the destination country, he could release the shipment. If the customs officer verifies that the cigarette packs are not compliant with the legislation of the destination country, he may take further actions on the shipment, or report possible irregularities to the competent authority of the destination country.